Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reserve money on Capitec app. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Capitec mobile banking application and then provide your login credentials and you need to log in into your account. Now from the options listed, you need to select the option of transact. After that, click on the option that says debit orders. Once done, you need to enter your remote PIN and select the transaction whose money you want to reverse from your transaction history. Then you need to provide a reason for actually reversing your money and accept the terms and conditions. Then click on the submit button. So this way you will be able to reverse the money on the Capitec application. Secondly, what you can do is you can simply just launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here in the search bar of it you just have to simply search for capitecbank.co.za. Over here you need to click on the online banking option first and then log in into your account. Then click on the menu option and select the option of contact us. Over here you will see the contact details of the customer service from Capitec, so you can directly contact them on these given numbers. For personal banking, I would recommend you to contact on this number and then you can just ask them how you can actually reverse your money and they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.